How many years old were you when you discovered that Vaseline can be used to take your makeup off? Did you know that Vaseline can be used to take your makeup off? If I'm just knowing. So let's try it. So basically, what Vaseline does is to help you break down your makeup. So when you swipe it off with your wipes, it's going to come up easily. So I'm going to be taking a lump. So you just want to use these hands to do that. Let us experimentos. I hope I do not have a reaction after this. Ah, whew. I don't know if it's working, but so now I'm getting my wipe and I'm going to swipe. Wow, just with one swipe. Wow, this is really, really, really working. And it is super easy to take off. Like, unlike using ordinary wipes, that it's going to feel super hard and difficult, but it's just going off like scooping out stuff. And I'm using this all with just one wipe. Look at, just look at that swipe that went off. My. Can you see it? I'm going to be trying this. One single wipe, well used. Now I'm going in with another one. And this is just going to supposed to be like the finishing touch. Whereas if you are using ordinary wipes to wipe your makeup, you'll be going in like 4 times. But now with this one, you'll be going like 4 times without even cleaning it off completely. Now with this one, I can go in twice, then go ahead and wash my face. I would suggest you don't take this way too close to your eyes or to your eye area. You can put it on your eyelid so that it can break down the eyeshadow that you must have put on, but do not put it near your tear duct or whatever. So let me take it off from my ear. Can you see? This is literally little or nothing left from my face after using the Vaseline. Remember, you're not going to go to bed like this. I hope you know that. So you're going to wash your face, cleanse it, and moisturize. So I hope you learned something. So whenever you're buying your Vaseline, just know that it's a multi-purpose something. If you found it helpful, like and follow for more. Stay tuned. Bye.